In China, a 64-year-old man was engulfed by mud during a landslide, requiring a strenuous 5-hour effort by the rescue team to unearth him and transport him to a hospital for urgent medical attention. The rental car driver neglected to engage the manual brake, putting it on the brink of plunging into the water. Fortunately, quick-thinking heroes leaped onto its hood, preventing a potential disaster. Despite the prevalence of selfishness in the world, there are still remarkable individuals who prioritize the safety of others. Take, for example, this individual who demonstrated a willingness to take action and make a meaningful difference. Undeterred by the bustling traffic, this individual dashed into the busy road to swiftly close the hazardous manhole. Despite facing disabilities, humans persist in spreading positivity, showcasing the indomitable spirit that transcends physical limitations. Observing how he pushes the cart is heartwarming and endearing. Not only does he navigate the cart, but he also effortlessly spreads positive energy to everyone around him. A crowd quickly assembled to rescue a baby elephant that had fallen into a culvert while crossing the road with its mother. The distressed calf's calls for help spurred action, leading to the entire village uniting in an effort to extricate the elephant. Such was the gravity of the situation that an excavator was brought in to aid in the rescue mission. This compassionate individual stumbled upon a freezing and ailing deer, recognizing its dire condition. Without hesitation, they brought the deer home with their friend, determined to provide aid. Dogs really make every game more fun and lively. The way they jump and chase the ball is just adorable and full of energy. This is the greatest moment for everyone.
We need your help. Come on.
They go above and beyond to make their sister feel like royalty, showering her with love, attention, and gestures fit for a princess. A young admirer of the royal guards eagerly awaited the attention of one of his heroes. When the moment finally arrived and his hero acknowledged him, the sheer delight on the child's face surpassed all expectations, creating a cherished memory that would last a lifetime. And watching the Queen's Guard march past, the 4-year-old boy, dressed like them, beamed with joy, a simple yet profound reminder of the happiness we bring to children. One effective way to befriend the referee is by demonstrating respect and sportsmanship throughout the game. Justin Gatland harbored a lifelong dream of achieving the seemingly impossible, outpacing the legendary Usain Bolt on the track.
Is the world champion here?
When he finally achieved his dream and surpassed the legendary Usain Bolt, Justin Gatland's reaction was one of profound respect and humility.
0.95 seconds for Brock.
The delivery driver, upon spotting a fallen flagpole, halted his tasks to reverently fold the flag, embodying genuine patriotism and respect for his country's symbol. When you want to start practicing kindness, you can begin with small gestures like this, just like this stranger did. He didn't hesitate to put his foot on the suitcase to keep it still, simply because the person in front was asleep on it. A simple gesture, but with a significant impact. In mere moments, we have the power to change an animal's fate, exemplified by the swift act of freeing this hedgehog from its bottle prison. Bravely risking his own safety, this individual intervened to rescue a dog stranded on an AC unit after falling from a window. Remarkably, the dog showed composure, navigating the situation. Thankfully, this story ends happily. The injured dog found itself unable to save itself, but fortunately, this compassionate individual happened to be nearby, ready to lend a helping hand. Amidst his own grief, this father made a conscious decision to find solace by offering comfort to his son. Great work, everyone! While we're young and in good health, let's remember not to hesitate when it comes to assisting others in need. The profound emotion expressed through their dance speaks volumes about the deep bond and love shared between this grandfather and his granddaughter. It's truly heartwarming to witness the genuine care and compassion that some people still hold for those facing difficult times. Soccer player Eric Christensen spotted a fan holding a jersey with his name on it, prompting him to approach, chat with them, and graciously leave his autograph. A small yet meaningful gesture that surely made the fan's day. It can be difficult to give away something we cherish, but kindness will lead us to even more beautiful things. Despite its imposing size and power, this tiger exhibits behavior reminiscent of a domestic cat.
Sneaking up on me. That's so funny.
Now, consider a couple of instances where lions, typically associated with their ferocity, unexpectedly approach humans not to attack, but rather to offer them a warm embrace. Upon retirement, an 8-year-old German Shepherd, who had served as a sniffer dog, faced separation from its mentor. Yet upon the mentor's return for a visit, a touching reunion unfolded, showcasing the enduring bond between them.
See this poor man right here,
This woman brought some items for the homeless man.
and I went to buy him some, I want to give him this stuff. Sir, I went to buy you some sandals and some socks and some money and some pants.
She was so kind that she didn't even film the face of the homeless man. The overwhelming joy of a Nigerian man with cerebral palsy upon learning that his friends are fulfilling his lifelong dream of taking a plane trip captures raw emotions, highlighting the profound impact of friendship and the fulfillment of cherished aspirations.
Yeah, let's do it!
In a moment of pure elation, this individual's dream came to life as his parents gifted him a Mustang for his 16th birthday, marking a milestone filled with joy and gratitude.
Oh my God, his face.
Dylan! Woo!
A household's heartfelt thank you note to their mailwoman, recognizing her dedication and hard work, moved her to tears.
Thank you.
After a prolonged absence from play following an accident, this girl's triumphant return to the court featured a spot-on first serve a year and a half later. Her success wasn't just due to physical strength, but also the unwavering support from her team. A graduate acknowledges his mother for her unwavering dedication to his education, despite her own unfulfilled dreams of graduating stemming from the loss of her parents at 16. She tirelessly supported her son. Freshly graduated from nursing school, her most fervent and genuine cheerleader proves to be her young son.
All pitched in, we thought it was something you guys could use around the house.
And this is the most meaningful Christmas gift they have ever received. The way this 6-year-old assists his brother during a meltdown by using a breathing technique is remarkable. His innate empathy and skillful intervention suggest he may have a promising future as a therapist. Seated on a couch, a man watches a video filmed by his long-lost best friend Ben, whom he hasn't seen in 7 years.
For a reason. The guy saved your life and you hadn't had a chance to meet him yet, and we thought that was just a shame. We thought that was just a shame.
The moment this girl meets her liver donor for the first time, after they saved her life, is truly profound and heartwarming. This female soldier posed as a barber, and it seems her boyfriend started to suspect something was off. Finally, he discovers the truth. This little girl had a strong desire to bring joy to someone's life. Her mother took her to the dementia unit so she could distribute dolls, known to have a positive effect on memory, spreading happiness and comfort to those in need. In this heartwarming moment, this girl thought she was posing for a photo with her friend, but behind her stands her fiancé who has just returned from military service, surprising her with his unexpected homecoming.
What? Oh my God!
These two sisters share a special bond, especially during challenging times. Despite one of them being ill, the healthy sister demonstrates her unwavering support by shaving off her eyebrows as a gesture of solidarity with her sister, showcasing the depth of their sisterly love.
These don't make you bleed. They don't make you.
In a touching display of solidarity, this hairdresser shaves off his own hair to stand with his colleague and friend who is battling cancer. This thank you gift serves as a testament to his success in instilling a sense of gratitude in his students. Rao, the renowned 14-year-old horse, gained fame for his visits to hospital patients, miraculously alleviating their suffering with his presence. Remarkably, he possesses an intuitive ability to discern those in need of his comforting presence the most. Witness the touching moment when a 1-year-old boy meets a woman with the same limb difference as him for the very first time. Overwhelmed with excitement, the little boy eagerly rushes in for a heartfelt hug, embracing the connection they share.
I can't get there.
Can we turn this way and see your arm?
After 3 long years of separation, the emotional reunion with his dad in the living room brought tears to his eyes as he immediately embraced him in a heartfelt hug. Behold, the romantic reunion between a soldier and his girlfriend, a moment filled with overwhelming emotion as they embrace each other after being separated for so long. The dog clearly missed its owner dearly while she was away serving in the army, showcasing the powerful bond between them. In a world often clouded by turmoil and uncertainty, acts of kindness shine as beacons of hope and compassion. Each small gesture carries the power to illuminate someone's darkest day. As we navigate life's journey, let us remember the profound impact of these acts, not only on those who receive them, but also on the collective spirit of humanity. Share your stories of kindness and join us in spreading the light. Subscribe to our channel to continue celebrating the beauty of human kindness.